This is a bird feeder that your preschoolers can make. So it's for very young children, aged 2 and 3, and it's something they can do themselves with a little bit of help. So you will need a pine cone from a conifer. Pine cones which have opened are good because they hold a lot of bird food. You can use a variety of different pine cones. The more pine cones warm up, the more open they become. Then all you need to do is mix some fat. In this case, I've got some suet, which is what the birds love to eat in winter to keep them full of energy. I've mixed it with some bird seed. Any bird seed will do. Just tip that in. I've put a few Niger seeds as well in mine. And we're going to mix that together so it's got a variety of different things in there for the different species of bird who like to have different foods. Then I have tied on a piece of garden twine onto the bottom of a pine cone by hooking it underneath the openings where the seeds come out. And then literally the warmth of your hands will help that fat to melt with the seed in, and you can push it, or your preschooler will be able to push that into the opening in the pine cone. You can get as much in there as possible. And once again, just like the willow bird feeder, we're making a very natural feeder to hang up outside a window, in a bush, on a tree, somewhere that the birds will feel comfortable. You can see how the fat's melting just with the warmth of my hand. And we'll try and squash in as much of that as possible before hanging it up outside. Okay, there we are. Now you can also make a little fat ball with exactly the same ingredients, and you can pop that into the willow bird feeder that we made earlier, like so. And for your preschoolers, a simple feeder is an apple studded with seeds, such as you could use bird seed that you've got, or these are sunflower seeds, and you can use pumpkin seeds as well. And just hang that up outside for the birds to peck at. And that's a really fun activity for your preschooler to do on their own. So that's it for our bird feeders on this big garden bird watch weekend.